I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Oh, yeah, hold up. My cell phone ringing. Hold up. Can you hear me now? Yeah. So what day did you say? Oh, yeah. Thursday's perfect, man.
Voodoo Vlogmas bitches.
What is up, guys? So we're in my kitchen and I'm about to make some like lazy curry. Basically, this is not a quick recipe, it's a lazy recipe, okay? It's something that you can, you know, just throw in the pot, walk away, go do something, go do this, come back, walk away, right? We're gonna layer some flavors. We're gonna keep warm, and yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much because I do not have my camera down here, so I'm just gonna be, yeah, okay. All right, let's go.
Dice up 2 chicken breasts into like little chunks, like little cubes, and you're gonna dice up some potatoes into cubes also. So what I didn't do was season my potatoes, I just seasoned the chicken, but we're gonna go ahead and season the potatoes and the chicken, okay?
These are all the seasonings that we're gonna be using, not for the whole recipe, but to season the chicken. Write these down. You got coriander, onion powder, garlic powder, curry. You could be, okay, so this is really experimental for real, like whatever curry you have in the house, but I prefer Jamaican style curry. Mexican, that is not Mexican, child. That says mejene powder. That's chili powder. Then you got garam masala. This is very particular. This hits, in my opinion. We got ginger, cumin, and then, you know, you got your sazon and your chicken bouillon type thing. So I put in maybe like 2. I'm running out, as y'all can see, it's like all effed up, but I get like 2 bay leaves, and then I just get these chilies. Okay, I probably get like 3 of them and put them in here. Then I season the oil with the curry powder, the ginger.
Now you're gonna get a whole onion and dice it up, but again, this is lazy, so I already had diced onions in the fridge that I got from Publix, so I just dumped it on in there. And you're going to saute it in your seasoned oil and let it get a nice brown, translucent. I know that doesn't make any damn sense how something can be brown and translucent. Think of SpongeBob with the suds. Like, when you know, you'll know. But this is what it should look like, okay? Now we're gonna add our protein, not the potato, okay? Just the chicken. We need to cook our chicken first or you will get sick. So that's something. Peace and blessings. I'm gonna leave this cooking for like 20 minutes or so because it takes some time, and once it looks like this, then you can add your potatoes and then you stir it into the seasoning as well. Now, I did not have any tomatoes in the house, so I had to use rotel, okay? So look, if you're not ghetto, you can use something else, but this does taste good. And I would saute that as well for a little bit until I felt comfortable. This is when I went ahead and did another layer of seasoning. I'll put them in the description, what I added on to the pot. That is when I went ahead with the veggie stock. I almost messed up. I was gonna say that earlier, but yeah, that's when I added veggie stock. And you really, this is important, you really wanna pat down all the potatoes so they can cook because your potatoes are still raw. You don't wanna eat raw potatoes, they're nasty. Now, this is an old Puerto Rican trick with medium grain rice. Every 2 cans of water is 2 cans of rice. So I'm just washing out this can. I don't know why this works for me, but make sure that y'all wash y'all rice. I almost said wash your rice, okay? So now I got all this stuff simmering at the same time. You know, make sure you season and butter that rice too, because nobody wants no plain rice. Maybe some people do, but I don't. And make sure when you're done to take out that bay leaf and those chilies, because, ooh, you don't want to eat those. You'll be on the toilet. Anyway, my rice is done. I'm so proud of myself. I feel like such a woman. I finally mastered how to cook rice. And this is the final curry. Let me know if you guys try it.
Tomorrow on Voodoo Vlogmas. Let's get our camel freak on!